In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Basecamp. First, open your web browser and head to the Basecamp login page. This is where you'll sign into your account so you can access your projects. On the sign-in screen, type the email address associated with your Basecamp account and click Next. On the next screen, enter your password and continue to sign in. If your organization uses extra security like a verification code, complete that prompt as usual to finish logging in. Once you're in, head to the home screen. You'll find the home option in the main navigation. It's your dashboard that lists everything you're part of. From here, look through your projects and click the one where you want to upload your files. If you have a lot of projects, take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one so your files end up in the right place for your team. Inside the project, locate the Docs and Files tool. This is the dedicated space in Basecamp for documents, images, spreadsheets, and other shared assets. Go ahead and click Docs and Files to open it. You'll see existing folders and files if your team has already added content here, and you can use the same area to keep everything organized. Now look for the New button. It's typically at the top right of the Docs and Files page. Clicking New opens a small menu of actions you can take in this space. Choose Upload Files from that menu. This tells Basecamp you're ready to add files from your computer to this project. A file picker will appear so you can browse your device. Select one or more files you want to share. It's a good idea to double-check file names and sizes before you confirm, especially if you're working with larger assets like videos or design files. Clear descriptive names help your team find what they need later. After selecting your files, confirm the upload. You may see a brief progress indicator while the files are transferred. When the upload completes, your files will appear in Docs and Files. If your team uses folders, place files where they make the most sense to keep things tidy for everyone. You can open a file to preview it or use the options next to it to rename or add context so teammates understand what it's for. If you need to replace an existing file, upload the new version and keep the naming consistent so it's easy to track. That's it. Log in, open your project, go to Docs and Files, click New, and choose Upload Files. You're now ready to keep your team's documents organized and accessible in Basecamp.